Hey everybody, it's Eric with Low VA Rates. Gonna try to dispel another myth for you today, and that myth or misconception is that shopping around for a mortgage will kill your credit. Once again, incorrect information, simply not true. Multiple credit inquiries, they're not going to negatively impact your score if you do it right. If you have a bunch of inquiries all over the place outside of like a 45-day window, that could hurt you. But when you're shopping for a mortgage, which we want you to do, we have videos on how you should shop, how to correctly shop. We encourage it. So you're gonna have your credit pulled by multiple lenders. That's not gonna cause you harm. But like I said, if you do it in a 45-day window, I think you should do it in a 15 to 30-day window just to be safe. That's all it takes. You should not have to spend months and months trying to shop for a loan. And the only way to get a real accurate quote is to have your credit pulled. So that's going to have to happen. So for mortgage inquiries, in order to encourage borrowers to shop around for a better rate, the credit bureaus count all of these inquiries that are made within a 45-day period essentially as one single inquiry. You're going to have more than one inquiry on your credit history, but as far as the algorithm and what causes your scores to go up and down, it's not going to negatively impact your scores. Okay, so within that window of time, we're still going to say 45 days. There's not really a limit how many lenders that can pull your credit. It could be 2, it could be up to 20. I'm here to suggest that's way too big of a headache for you, way too much information to try to, digest. You do not need to shop with any more than 3 lenders maximum. In my opinion, calling Low VA Rates and calling one other lender, we've done this analogy before, it's like tug of war. You get us both going back and forth because when 2 lenders are competing, you're going to end up winning every single time. But we need your permission to pull your credit. So you've got to give us that permission. Lenders can't just go pull your credit without you giving them permission. So if you want to shop around and just kind of give them a verbal on what your credit score is and see what they will give you, it's not going to be super accurate, but you could do that with more than 2 or 3 lenders before you make a consideration based on those conversations. What 2 to 3 lenders do you really want to authorize to pull your credit? Sorry to interrupt, but before we get back to today's video, I have an announcement. In one of our recent videos, we mentioned that we'd be doing a surprise $500 giveaway to the first person who comments on one of our YouTube videos. Well, here's your chance. We already did this once for the first commenter on our original announcement video. And we were so grateful to Alex for being the first to comment that we couldn't wait. So we surprised him with $500. Now it's your turn. All you have to do is be the first to comment on this video that you're watching, and then we'll be in touch. Also, if you're watching this later and you haven't subscribed yet, punch that button that you saw, go back and subscribe, click that notification bell, do whatever you have to, because you want to make sure you're getting all of our videos the moment they come out. We're going to continue to do these giveaways over time. It may go higher than 5,000. I don't know. It may go higher than 500. We may give away some other stuff. Anyhow, let's get you back to your regularly scheduled program. Keep watching. Okay, so when it comes to mortgages, comparing lenders actually shows you're not as much of a credit risk because you're being educated, you're being smart, and you're trying to get the best deal for you, which kind of proves you're taking your credit and you're taking your interest rate and all your finances seriously. Just remember, do it quickly, 30 to 45 days. That's all you need to shop different rates. I hope this has dispelled another myth you may have had. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.